A very good morning, children. Today's topic is algorithms and flowcharts. Okay, last class we already discussed about what is algorithm and examples and what is flowchart and advantages of algorithms. Okay, last class we discussed about these topics. So today we just recall once again what is algorithm, flowchart, and one more topic, loop. Okay, today's topic is loop. Okay, these are all this topic. Okay, let's start. First, algorithm. What is meant by algorithm? Okay, it simply says it is a step-by-step process. It's look like a theory. Okay, I am already told two examples in last video. One, going to school. Okay, the process of the going to school is get up early in the morning, brush your teeth and fresh up and take bath and dress in school uniform, eat your breakfast and take your school bags, lunch box, whatever, and go to the bus stand and brought your school bus. Correct? These are all the one flows. These are all writing in instructions or letters. Okay, that's called algorithms. It's look like a theory. Okay, its must starts with start keyword and ends with end keyword. The algorithm must start with start keyword and ends with either stop or end. Okay, and next flowchart. And flowchart is a diagrammatical representation. Correct? It is a diagrammatical representation. A user can easily understand the logic. The user can easily understand the logic of the program. Okay, the flowchart consists of this one for oval. It represents start and stop. Okay, and this is the parallelogram. It mainly used for input or output. Okay, and this is rectangle. It's mainly used for a processing. Okay, this is for diamond. This is for decision making. The conditions simply says the conditions. Okay, and this arrow denotes flow of lines. Okay, the arrow lines denotes the flow of lines, the flow of charts. Okay, these are all the symbols, and two more symbols are there. Okay, one is circle. This is on page connector. This is on page connector. Okay, and one more symbol is there. This is off page connector. I'm already told in last video, this circle, the on page connector used in a same page, only the single page. Okay, but the off page connector using the two different pages. For example, you are not complete your flowchart in a single page. Okay, you can use page connector. Okay, that's all. And next, more example. Okay, last class I am already told write an algorithm to addition of two numbers. Correct? Write an algorithm to addition of two numbers. How to add any two numbers? Correct? For example, 12, 4 to 24. This type of additions you should, all of you know. Correct? But for example, 12 plus 12 equal to 24. This is the expression. Okay, now I am assigning the variables nothing but names. Okay, this 12 equal to A, this 12 equal to B, and this 24 equal to C. Now I am assigning the letters to the numbers. Okay, now how to write like this? A equal to 12, B equal to 12. Okay, shall I write C equal to A plus B? Correct. C equal to A plus B. What is the value of C? A 12, B 12. So the addition of A plus B 24. C equal to 24. Okay. Now let's write algorithm. First, I'm already told algorithm and flow chart must always start with start keyword and ends with either stop or end keyword. Okay, first step start, and second step to read the value. Correct, to read the value. For example, A equal to, you enter some values like either 12, 13, 14, whatever it is. Okay, so read values. What value? A value. Okay, and next another step, read value B. Okay, and next fourth step. What is the fourth step, ma? Process. Okay, addition process. Fourth step is a addition process. Fifth step, stores the value to C. Correct. The 24, our example 24 is stores to C. The 24 is stores to C. So the C value is 24. Correct. And finally print, because we want to see. Correct. Print. And final step, stop or end. Okay, simple ma. Only the 7 steps are there. Okay, next come to the flow chart. Just I erase everything. Okay, I am already told the flow chart must start always with start keyword. This is the oval. Start. Correct. Okay. And next step, read A and B value. Read A and read B. Just down arrow mark. Read. This is the input. Correct. I'm already told the input. This is the input. So parallelogram diagram, the parallelogram shape must be drawn. Okay, you just draw the parallelogram, because the input, you get the input from the user. Read value A comma B or A and B. Okay, and after that you just process the values. Correct. C equal to A plus B. Here A and B values are added and stores to C. Correct. This is the process. This is the expression. Okay, and after finishing the expression calculation, you just print. Print is also a process. So you can draw rectangle. Okay, and finally you just draw one oval. Stop. That's all ma. It's really very simple to draw a flow chart for addition of two numbers. Okay, and one more example. Okay, one more example. For example, to write an algorithm and flow chart to your pass marks, pass or fail marks. Okay, pass or fail marks. Okay, what is the process? First you know the condition. Okay, for our example 40 your grace mark. Okay, 40, if you got a 40, if you score a 40 mark means you got pass. If you score a 40 mark means you pass. Okay, otherwise you fail. How to write? Less than or greater than. Okay, if you score more than 40 means you pass. If less than 40 means you fail. Correct. First, always start with start keyword. Okay, and read value. Second step is a read value. Read value, either A, B, something else. Okay, and next step, you must check. Okay, correct. You must check the value from the user, either the less than 40 or greater than 40. So check the condition. Check the condition. If next step is value, if value greater than 40 means pass. Okay, and if value less than 40 means fail. Correct. Sixth step, print. Seventh step, stop. Simple. Now draw the flow chart. Okay, always start with start, oval shape, start, one flow. Okay, we want to get the data or values from the user. Okay, you just draw parallelogram, read n values. So I am writing n number of marks. Correct, the n number of students are there in the class. So I'm just write n here, and after, now I want to check condition. So decision. So you just draw a diamond shape. Okay, the diamond shape has get one input and gives two outputs. Okay, this is yes and this one is no. For a condition, writing the condition n greater than or equal to 40. Correct. N equal to more than 40 means you pass, or less than 40 means you fail. Correct. So this is the pass and this one is the fail. Okay, and after just print either pass or fail. Okay, here I am writing pass, here fail. Okay, end or stop. Final step. Okay, that's all ma. This is the flow chart. This is the way to draw the flow chart and the algorithms. Okay, it's really very simple. Okay, and next, looping. The definition of the loop is, a loop is a sequence of instructions that repeats itself a specified number of times until a particular condition is met. See, it simply says the loop is executed until your target is achieved or until your condition is false. Okay, it's simple. Let us see one example. This example is really helpful for to clear what is a loop. Okay, for example, write or draw the flow chart. Draw flow chart to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, 1 to 10, up to 10. Okay, how to draw? First, you draw start, oval shape to start. Okay, and after you just read n number of values. That is, assume 1 equal to n. Okay, so you can read read n equal to 1. Correct? N equal to 1. And after, just check the condition. So you draw diamond shape. Okay. No means stop. Yes means this is S. Okay. If n less than or equal to 10, correct? The n value must be less than or equal to 10. Okay. And after, print the value. So processing, print n. Here print n. Okay. And again processing n plus 1. Okay. How to run this flowchart? Okay. First the n value equal to 1. Okay. The n value submit here. 1 less than or equal to 10. 1 is smaller to 10. Correct? 1 is smaller compared to 10. Okay. So the condition is true. So yes. So print 1. Correct? Now I am writing here 1. Okay. And after, come this down step, come this next step, n plus 1. Now the n equal to 1. Here n plus 1. So the n value must be increased. So the n value 1 to 2. Okay. Now the n value is 2. Correct? Now submit the n values to here. 2 is also less than 10. Okay. Again true. So S. Print number 2. Again increase the value 3. Correct? Because already 2 plus 1 3. Again go to 3. N value is increases. So 3. Again you submit 3. So true. And then print 3. Again you come to next step. N value increased 4. Again you go to 4. Submit here. And again check the condition. 4 less than 10. Correct? So again true. Up to final step. Okay. Up to final step. Now the n value is 10 means now plus 1 add. Okay. Now the n value is 11. Again you go to 11. Submit here. The condition is false. Correct? The condition is false. 11 less than or equal to 10. If I am writing here 10 means it's correct, true, because less than or equal to. But now the n value equal to 11. Okay, this condition is false. So go to stop. Okay, this is the way of executing the program. Okay, this is the flow chart to print 1 to 10 numbers. Okay, that's all. This is the loop. Okay, until the condition is false. The loop is executing, the condition is executing until the condition is false. Okay, this is the loop. Okay.